Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to unbox and perform the spell that is in the Moon Spell box. I have done 2 of these already and I have been wonderfully surprised with them. In each of these boxes, this is not a subscription by the way, in each of these boxes there's everything that you need to perform the spell of the month. And so this is February's box. The month box is $14.99, but if you want to purchase past months, they will be $19.99 and free shipping. So it's awesome. I think it's worth its price. I think it's fun. So this is February's and we are now in April. So this would be $19.99 if you want to purchase this one. So let's get into it. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase this should you want to. Alrighty. And we open it up and here is the spell, and we're doing a love spell. Okay. And then before we get into that, let's just take a peek at what is inside here. Okay, everything's all wrapped up and ready to go in a pretty pouch. So we have the pouch, we have hibiscus flower and basil in a cute little jar. All of my jars I like to reuse, so that's fun. Then we've got a rose quartz crystal here, and it's in the heart shape. Oh, I love it. We have got a carving stick and then a pink love candle. All right, so let's see what it says here. This spell is to invoke deeper or new love between 2 souls. This can be you and your partner, you and your pet, or any 2 souls. So intentions: to create a natural, beneficial, and lasting love. And we already have the ingredients. And then the ritual, it says to carve into the pink love candle the 2 names for whom the ritual is being performed. All right, so I guess I'll do me and my hubs. Don't judge the writing. Okay, and then light the pink candle and place on a fire-safe platform. Do not leave burning candle unattended. All right, check. Hold the rose quartz crystal in the palm of your right hand and close your hand. Sprinkle hibiscus flower and basil over the top of the candle flame while holding the crystal in your closed right hand. Then chant the incantation while still holding the crystal. Okay, hold on. I'm going to fix that. All right, flame is lit. Rose quartz in the palm of my right hand. We have the basil and the hibiscus flower ready. And now we're going to sprinkle it over the top of the candle flame. And we're still holding the crystal. All right. Here we go. Ooh. Alrighty. Practice makes perfect. There we go. Oh! Listen, I don't do things with my left hand very often. I'm trying. All right. So now we are going to chant the incantation. I promise you there is a flame there, but the herbs kind of got in the way of the wick. All right, let's do the incantation, which says, let magic work here between and amongst us, combine our hearts, infuse our souls, create dear memories, solidify our love. Let magic work here between and amongst us, combine our hearts, infuse our souls, create dear memories, solidify our love. Let magic work here between and amongst us, combine our hearts, infuse our souls, create dear memories, solidify our love. Then we blow out the candle and allow it to cool for 30 minutes. And then when candle is cool, bury it outside 3 to 4 inches deep. This can be anywhere. The closer it is buried to your home, the stronger the spell. Keep the rose quartz in your pocket, on your bedside table, or anywhere close. Okay, I'm going to let it burn for a little bit more because I want to get some of the herbs going. But besides my own mishaps, I think this is a wonderful spell and very easy. It is not something that I would feel bad to do, because this is something that I already have a love connection with my partner. This is something that I find that is going to strengthen that. It's something that, you know, like it says, solidifies. And then you have a token here to keep with you to remember your intentions, to remember what you did here. I wonder how this would work if you got 2 rose quartz crystals and you did this spell together with your loved one, how much stronger that would be. So that's something to consider too. As far as the price point for this, I agree with it, especially if you get it the month of. I think it's phenomenal to get all the tools. It's a very easy spell to do. If you are somebody who is looking for new spell work or new ideas, this is perfect to get involved with something that maybe you haven't done before, or get new ideas to add into your repertoire. If you are a beginner witch, this is something to keep your knowledge going and to learn. And then you can use the spell over again should you need to or should you want to. I think it's great to have everything you need at your fingertips with this box. And again, it is not a subscription. I'm going to blow that out now. It is not a subscription. It is not something that you have to worry about purchasing every month. You purchase one box and you're done. And what's great is you can go back and purchase previous boxes that maybe you didn't get to try yet. I really liked the money spell one. That was fun and very inventive. I liked it, very easy to do. And that's what's great about all of these. They're very, very easy to do. It doesn't take much. And again, you have everything you need at your fingertips to do the job. So if you have tried the Moonspell box, let me know your experience down below in the comment section. Is this something that you would try if you haven't yet? What do you think about it? I really enjoy the fact that it is not a subscription. So let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. If you made it this far, drop a rose in the comment section. And thank you so much to Moonspell for sending this our way. I really appreciate it. I love the product. I think it's fun and I think it's very educational as far as what it provides. So I appreciate it. And thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, go check them out at Instagram, on Facebook. I'll leave again all the links down in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.